Don't try this at home. So for today's video, we are zoomed out a little bit. Basically, we're going to do these Hollywood waves that I normally do. So that's what we'll be doing today. So basically what you guys will need, if you want to do like a follow along with me, that's cool, but you don't have to. You could watch this. This is what I'll be using today. I have two alligator clips with me, and these are the non-slip ones, so it's like has this velvety kind of texture to it. But these are super useful, especially if you have like virgin hair or just natural hair. It can be very slippery to deal with, so these are a good thing to have always. I have my Sebastian shaper hairspray. This is a like dry brushable hairspray, which is really important for this look. You don't want anything that's gonna make your hair crusty and leave like dandruff looking flakes in your hair. We can't have that, so I like to use this one a lot. Then of course you're going to need brushes. So I have this one that's kind of like a soft hair bristle brush. And then I have my rat tail comb, of course. And I also have this Hot Tools curling iron. It is, I believe, either it's the 1 inch or 1.5 inch. I think it's the 1.5 inch. It was $19 at HEB, which is a local food store here. And let me tell you, it has been my go-to curling iron because it's the only one I have. So what other one am I gonna go to? So now that we have all of these things, let's go ahead and get started. So for my hair to hold curl, I have it set all the way to 430 degrees, or I'm sure this goes to 450, it just doesn't say it on there. But for me, I turn the dial all the way, so I really have this on a high heat setting, and my hair can take it, but if your hair can't take it, please adjust the temperature to your hair, please. Like, I am not responsible in any way if your hair falls off. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to section the hair in 3 different subsections. So first I'm going to start with the top, and I usually go right above my temple area and go all the way around the crown. And I stick the clip in the middle, and ta-da! The next I do right on my ear. So I go at the tip, right here, and stick my finger all the way across. The same here. Leaving out this bottom portion here. And I really like to clip these completely out of the way, just so that no hair is hanging out whatsoever. And then you have your third section here. So 1, 2, 3. In the back, I split the hair down the middle in 2. We have 2 sections there. Then I split it in half, and I take the piece in front first. And I'm gonna curl this towards my face, so the clippy part is gonna face behind you, and you're gonna curl inwards. And I kind of do it like a spiral curl, meaning that the curl only overlaps it just by a little bit, kind of like 1/3 of the way. And I kind of touch the outside just to feel like how hot it's getting, and once you feel the heat coming through, your hair is usually good to go, so you can release the hair and pull down at the same time. So then you have this perfect little spiral curl, and I use my finger to kind of just twist it and make it more defined, just like that. I'm gonna do the next section. That was too big of a section, so I'm gonna do the top part of this again. There we go, that's better. Like, want the bend of the curls to line up with each one. So you don't want to do like different size curls or different pattern or different forms of curls. You all want to try to keep the curl pattern exactly the same. The same thing here, but actually I'm going to split this in half, like doing a top section and a bottom section like that. Do the bottom section first. Now I'm coming under my hair this way. Well, how can I show you guys? So coming under with the clamp facing the back and then rolling it forward. Ta-da! Let's do the top section here. Whoops, wrong way. This is very hard to do on camera because I'm looking at the monitor because I don't have like a big mirror in front of me. And everything is like inverted or however you say that, and so it's a little bit tricky. I'm trying not to burn myself also. Hold it about an inch away from my scalp just because we don't need these curls to be tight at the root of the hair because most of the curls are gonna fall about here, you know? So I'm gonna speed up this curling process and you guys can just sit back and relax and see how I curl the rest of it. The front, everything that we discussed about the bottom applies throughout the whole entire hair. So let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. So now that everything is curled, I'm gonna spray it with this hairspray. I leave my bangs out because I like to tuck them underneath here. So I'm gonna take my bristle hair brush and basically I'm gonna lift up my hair and I'm gonna brush them down. Then I take this here and I kind of just brush it behind my ear, and then it gives it that really nice, like, smooth edged look, if that makes sense. And then I just keep brushing it until I get like the curl that I want. Basically, you want all the curls to kind of fall into place. The same with this side. What I kind of do is, like, as I'm brushing down, I'm kind of like going in and then pulling out, kind of like doing this motion here. So that way it gives it like a real nice butterfly effect to the curls. And I like to give this area right here some volume, so I'm just going to kind of like cut out with the rat tail comb that U shape, tease underneath here. bring it forward. Take another thin section here. Tease underneath. I know I look like a crazy person right now. Then another one, last section. Tease underneath. Then take this hair and flip it back. I look like a frizz ball of a mess. Gloss was not a good idea. Brush this back out. And then you have this mess here. Then you just kind of brush it down. It just gives you like a nice natural lift in the back there. I like it to have like this flat look here in the front. Like really polished in the front. Yeah, so then I'm gonna bring my hair forward as much as you personally like. I'm taking my rat tail comb and kind of going through this again. And I have one more product that I totally forgot to mention in the beginning. So the product is from Brazilian Blowout, and I love these products. Here we have the Acai Shine spray. Also protects the hair from harmful UVA and UVB rays and environmental elements. So this is a really good product, and it's hydrating for the hair, but it's not overly oily either. And then I use also the Restore and Sculpt Defining Polish, and I like to use this especially towards the ends to give it that really nice finish. And I also use it here. You know how like anyone who has baby hairs uses a product like this around their hairline. It just really completes every single look. This is what celebrities use on the red carpet. If it's not this, then it's got to be hair glue gel and all this stuff. So this is what we're gonna use first, and I'm gonna open it up for you. It smells delicious. Like I wish they made like a candle or a perfume that smelled like this. So I took about this much on my finger, my ring and index finger, and I'm just going to grab the front part of my hairline and kind of like catch all those flyaways that go in your face. And this I'm going to swipe all along here. And my sideburns. Like you see how that instantly cleans up the hairline? Just instantly cleans everything up. And then I take my rat tail comb and I go over it like this. I kind of go in straight and then I press down. And then I use the back side of the comb to kind of just press it down. And you can find these products on Amazon. They're pretty reasonably priced. I don't think that these products are overly priced at all, especially with the performance they have. I definitely would buy these again. Next, I'm going to make this bigger and expand it. So I'm going to tease right behind the indentation right here, on this one, and here. Now I'm going to grab another section and kind of like merge it together. Just like that. And you make it look like you have more hair. And then you kind of just pull it apart a little bit. And the same here. Now I'm going to finish everything off with hairspray. I love this look. Like, it's very soft, it's very girly. It's good for literally any occasion, weddings, if you just want to do it just because, or you're going out to meet up with some friends, or a family dinner, anything really. Like, this could be your wedding hairstyle. I mean, it could literally be anything. And I think that's what makes it so classic and looks good literally on everybody. Anyways, if you guys liked this little tutorial, then please let me know in the comments down below. If you do want more tutorials like this, then let me know. Anyways, you guys, this brings this mini hair tutorial to a close, and I will see you guys in the next totally relatable tutorial. Bye bye.